That's big stuff.
He's done put everything together. Now he's going to walk me through it. All right. What is this? What is that? What is this?
What?
All of them. Tell me what are they?
Alright, let's start from over here.
Okay.
This is a Minecraft railway.
What is it?
A Minecraft railway.
Okay.
And this is a Nexonite Big Mac.
Okay.
This is a helicopter. This is supposed to be a movie theater. These are the evil people in the map.
Okay.
These are 2 cars. This is someone. This is a random person. This is a guy that works at the movie theater. This is a box. This is a cage. That's Giant Man. That's Scarecrow in his helicopter. That's a jungle. That's Batman. That's a catapult. And that's the airport. And my tour is done. Now, Leda, it's your turn.
Okay.
That is the boys section.
This is the boys section.
I'm coming.
This is
The owner.
the owner. That's his name today. He's the owner of everything you see here. He builds them bags by bags. All right.
Now, Leda's turn.
Now
Not yet. I'm not
is
done
the
yet.
sister's. Oh, she's not done yet.
I call mine Lego Town.
Lego Town. This is Lego Town.
Okay, I think I'm ready. Oh, Leda's turn.
Okay, Leda's turn. Walk me through everything. What are they?
Well, this is a town I call Friendship City.
Friendship City.
Yeah, Heart Lake City.
Okay.
Heart Lake City, Friendship City. I really call it Heart Lake City, but oh well. Anyway, first I'm gonna show you the first one I got.
Okay.
This one. This is Stephanie's house. As you can see, it is very, very big, and well, I didn't just get it for Christmas.
Got for her birthday.
And yep, I got it for my birthday. The next one, this one. This is the pizzeria. This pizzeria is very, very tiny, as you can see, and it makes pizzas.
That's right.
This one I just got. It's a school. It's a music school, I guess. And Andrea, Ivory, and Noah live here. I mean, don't live here, but they go to school here. And this is the school bus. This is the one at school. And yeah. And this one I just got for Christmas too.
This is the back of the school
Oh yeah.
and the house. Okay.
This is Lego Elves that I also just got for Christmas. This one keeps on trying to steal the amulet from Emily. That's why he has guns. And anyway, I just made her take a nap really, and use the back of it. This is I forgot her name. Aaliyah or something. Ira or something. And there you go. Oh, and this is how you make it fly. You pull the back of it and push it, and blah blah blah. And there you go. That's
Okay.
my Lego city. Hey.
Friend City, right?
Heart Lake City.
Okay.
Now, the older Leda. I am basically the president.
Of Friend City.
Friendship.
Oh, Friendship
Heart
City.
Lake. Heart Lake City.
Okay. All right. Now you have it.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye bye.